If you prefer playing Roblox in Chinese or you want to switch languages for easier navigation, Roblox allows you to change your app language with just a few taps. Switching to Chinese is quick and can be done both in phone and PC. Here's how to update your Roblox language settings. First, you need to go ahead and open your Roblox application on your mobile device, log into your account, then tap on the three lines in the top left corner of your screen. Then go to settings that you will find below the gift cards option. Now from this page, you need to go ahead and tap on account info. Once the page is fully loaded, scroll all the way down and there you will see the option of language that is below the gender option. Tap on this drop down menu over here and you'll get the list of different languages that you can set your Roblox account to. As we're looking to set on Chinese, we're going to scroll down and find the Chinese language over here. Go ahead and tap on the type of Chinese language that you want to set to, and your Roblox application will refresh so that the change in language can be updated, and you'll be done. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.